Welcome to BBB Technical again. So today I would like to discuss about the fundamentals of C++. In our childhood, as we like at the starting point of our study, so what we used to learn? We used to learn, suppose if you consider that English language, then what we used to learn? The ABCD of English. In that way, so we'll learn the ABCD of C++, C today. So let's get started. So I have opened dev C++ in my PC and I will create one file, that means this untitled one file, and I will save it as lesson or tutorial 1, and please save this as .c format. Okay. So initially we will try to print our name using C programming. So how to print a name? So how to start a C programming code? So initially we have to write one thing called header files, as include stdio.h. So this particular has include stdio.h is nothing but it is a header file. So you might be thinking about what is include. To include is nothing but it is a keyword, so which is used to import some libraries. Libraries are nothing but it may be header files or it may be other particular C codes. That means, so if you have developed another C code, then it can be imported to another C files using that include keyword. The include keyword is nothing but it is used to import some files to a program. So let's be clear about that. After include, we'll come across int main. That means it is a main function. Main function after that is curly braces. Okay. So in main is nothing but this is a function, and int is nothing but it is a return value. Okay, we'll go that deep in further videos. So let's understand what is header files. Okay, so suppose you have one box here. So this box is having some books. Suppose one is C book, one is C++ book, one is Python book, maybe one is a MATLAB book or MATLAB guide. So today evening, and I would like to study about MATLAB. So what we will do? So we'll bring out this particular MATLAB book from our bookshelf or this particular box, right? So from this box we'll bring out some MATLAB books, and after that we'll try to read it. So in that way we'll gain some knowledge about MATLAB. So header file is also like that only. So there are two types of header files. One is user defined, and one is pre-existing header files. So let me write it here. So one is user defined and another is pre-existing header files. Okay, so let's learn about pre-existing header files first. Okay, so obviously we'll discuss user-defined header types also. So if I discuss about this pre-existing header files, there are some header files called if number 1 stdio.h, number 2 is conio.h, number 3 is math.h. So the stdio.h is responsible for for some particular functions. These functions are nothing but printf. Suppose I would like to display my name. So what function I will use? I will use printf, and that particular function, that printf function, is defined. That means already defined in header file called stdio.h. That printf is a part of stdio.h. That means what we have understood that stdio.h is having some pre-existing functions. These functions are maybe some functions are printf and another function called scanf, and there are a lot more. Okay, as we go on, we'll discuss about other functions also. And in similar manner, conio.h is also another pre-existing header file which is used for clearing up your skin. Suppose I would like to clear this particular writings, and how I will do that? I will use some eraser, right? So by using some eraser, I will erase these writings, right? So to clear up the C programming screen or C programming output menu, we use conio.h header file, and we use clear skin function from conio.h to clear up the screen. So that is the main fact. So let's come to our main problem. So this is the tutorial 1. So here we are discussing about printing our name into C output. Okay, so let's use printf here. The printf is used for printing something into your terminal. So let's type name. My name is Vidyut, right? So after that we'll use one semicolon to end this particular line. So in English language, to end up one sentence, what we used to write? One full stop, right? In the similar manner, in C programming, we use a semicolon to end a particular line. Okay? So let's run this code, go to execute and compile it. Okay, as you can see, there is no error. Errors is 0, warning is 0. So we can proceed with the run command. So after running, it have printed my name, that means Vidyut. Okay. So suppose again now I would like to print my homestead. Suppose print f my homestead is Assam, right? So let's compile it and let's run. As you can see, Vidyut Assam, but near it there is no change in line, right? To change the line, we have to use one keyword, that is nothing but /n, or it is used like this. So what it will do? It will simply change our line, right? As you can see, Vidyut, in the next line I have printed my homestead, right? So if I would like to print my age now, okay, let's print my age. Printf my age is 21, or sorry, 24. So I will use one n here, and after that I will compile. So here we have some error. Oh, this printf is wrong. Okay. Okay, now no errors. Let's run it. Okay, as you can see here, a video, and the very next line I have printed my homestead. After that, I have printed my S. I hope this particular tutorial is clear enough for you guys. So I'll see you around in next tutorial. Thank you.